Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can archive photos in your Google Photos library really quickly. So let us get started. Alright, head over to Google Photos and there are basically two different ways how you can archive your items, be it photos or videos. The first option would be to simply left click on the given photo here inside your photo library or video. So let me go with that photo depicting a cute otter like that. Left click on it, and after that you will be given access to the overview and to these editing tools in the top right corner. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click on these three dots here in the top right corner, more options, and select archive from that drop down menu. Alternatively, use the shortcut Shift A on your keyboard to archive it. So let me do that really quickly. And after that, the given photo will be moved to the archive. As you can see, it's not visible or displayed here in your main library anymore. So to access it, simply head over to archive here to the archive folder, and there you go. As you can see, the photo or item is stored now in the archive. So what you want to do also, guys, the second option would be to click on add photos here inside your archive folder and simply select the photo you would like to archive from your library by left clicking or by selecting the check mark in the top left corner and by clicking on done in the top right corner. That's basically it. So as you can see now, these photos have been added to the archive. Now to unarchive them, simply left click on them and again on these three dots in the top right corner and select unarchive, or alternatively simply use the shortcut Shift A to do that. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.